For the last side, we need to make sure we're on side number 3. So click on side number 3. Make sure it says summer or fall at the top. Then you are going to raise your hand and ask your teacher for either a part or a whole. Then you can continue. So whatever your whole was or your part, you're going to click inside the circle 2 times fast, 1, 2, and you can put that in. So if my whole was 14, I can put it there, and then I can use my number line to help me find out what can my 2 parts be. Go ahead and pause the video and fill out your 2 parts and your whole in your number bond. When you finish, come back to the video. The next part of the video, we are going to add our images. So we need to think of something we think of in summer or fall. It could be leaves, it could be a sun, whatever you want to represent summer or fall. Then you can click on the image, click, go to search the web, click, and now at the top you're going to put in. So if you want to find a sun, you want to find a leaf, it doesn't matter, or whatever else you think of, grass, trees, and press the blue enter button, enter. So I found a leaf here. I'm going to click on it 1 time. If I don't want it, I can click off, click, and now I'm going to press insert, click. Notice how large it is. So I'm going to go to the corner, be patient, so that has 2 arrows, and I'm going to click, hold down, hold down, hold down, let go. Now we want it small enough because I need to make 8 of these. So I'm going to click, and now I'm good with my pointer finger. Now with my middle finger, I'm going to right click and click copy. I'm going to click next door. I'm going to go right click, middle finger, paste. Move it over, paste. Move it over, right click, paste. Move it over, right click, paste. Now if you run out of space, you could, since they're small enough, you could put them below. Okay, so now I have my total from what I have on the top of my number bond. Now I need to go and find another one to represent 6. So I'm going to go to my image, search the web, and I can write leaf again, or whatever you choose. And I'm going to choose a different image and click insert. So again, I need to make it smaller. Go to the corner, so there are 2 arrows. Now I can click, hold down, hold down, hold down, let go. Now with 4 arrows, or I can click on top, I can pull it over here. So now I'm going to have to copy this one. Right click, copy. Right click, paste. So I can make a total of 6. So now I have enough leaves to represent my number bond. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can represent your number bond with images. So the next step is we're going to fill in our number sentence. So I'm going to click in the first box and I need to put my first number. But notice I don't have any symbols here. In order to make the plus sign, I need to hold down the shift, and I'm going to tap the plus key that's next to the backspace. I'm going to hold down and tap the plus sign. So I'm going to click 2 times with my mouse, 1, 2, and now I'm going to hold down the shift and tap the plus. Now I can put my next number. Click 2 times and put it in. Now I need my equal sign. In order to make the equal sign, we need to tap the same button we used for the plus sign, but now this time we're not going to use the shift. I'm just going to tap the equal sign, and it will give me my symbol. So I'm going to click 2 times in the circle, 1, 2, and then I'm going to press the equal sign. The last thing I'm going to do is click 2 times in here, and I'm going to put my whole. What is my whole? Whatever your whole was. Remember, Miss Rachel's numbers might look different than yours. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can add your number sentence. Our last step on slide 3 is that we need to make a text box and add our sentence. So I'm going to go to the T for text box, click 1 time, click, and I'm going to go to the bottom and click 1 time, click. Now I need a capital at the beginning of my sentence. Shift, hold down, hold down, hold down, tap the T, tap. And I'm going to write there, 1 space, R space, 14 space, leave space, in space, all. And put a period at the end, period. Now it's your turn to go ahead and add your number sentence with your total and the type of photo or image you have in there. Go ahead and pause the video and add your word sentence. If you have finished all 3 slides, your next part is an extra. Notice in my first slide, I have large letters. We're going to go ahead and make all of our letters large in our number sentences. So I'm going to click on slide 2. And if I click right here on the words click, it makes my blue box appear. If I go to the end, I can click, hold down, hold down, hold down all the way. If I click in the middle, notice I don't have everything in blue. I want to start at the end or the beginning. Click, hold down, hold down, hold down, so I can highlight or make everything in the sentence blue. Now I'm going to go to the top where these numbers are. That means I can change the size of how big the letters are. I'm going to click where it says here or on the arrow, and now I'm going to make it about 36. Click. Notice now I have large text. I can now do the same on my other slide. I'm going to click so that I can see the blue box. Click, hold down, hold down, hold down, let go, and I'm going to change it to 36. Pause the video so that you can change the size of the font. Now that we have changed the size of the font of the letters, we want to now change the color. So I'm going to go to slide 1. I'm going to click where the words are, and I'm going to do what I did like when I was changing the size, except for now we're going to change the color of the writing. I'm going to go to the end, click, hold down, hold down, hold down, let go. This time I'm going to go where the letter A is, and I'm going to change the color to a dark color. These ones at the top are pretty, but they're way too bright. They can really hurt your eyes. Ouch! To look at. So I want a color on the bottom 2 rows, in this row or in this row. I noticed that there's a lot of blue here, so I'm going to change mine to blue. Notice it's a nice dark color and it's much easier to read. I can now click on the other one, click, and I'm going to click, click, hold down, hold on, hold on, let go. And again, I'm going to go to the A and make a dark color. I want to be able to read the words very well. And last one, I'm going to click, then click, hold down, hold on, hold down, let go, and change the color to a dark color. Go ahead and pause the video so you can change your font color to a different color. Now if you've gotten here and you're all finished, you can make one more slide for a season. So in order to make a new slide, we're going to click on the last slide. You're going to right click with your mouse like we did with the image, and we're going to say copy. Then we're going to click underneath slide 3, right click and click paste. Now notice these 2 are the same, but I want to go to 4. And you can delete, click, backspace, click, backspace, click, and you can take away, click, and take away all the things that are here, and you can start new. So you can decide, notice I'm deleting everything, click, delete, click, delete. I can delete all the words and the numbers, so I can begin again. If I make a mistake, I just click on the undo. Click 2 times, click 2 times. Now, if you chose to do summer here or fall, then flip-flop and choose the other one. Raise your hand and get a different number from your teacher, and follow the same instructions you did in number 3. If you need to, you can go all the way back to the beginning of the video. Nice job and keep working hard.